The bigger issue, I think, is going to be as we head toward tomorrow later in the day. More widespread ice potential from tomorrow afternoon through Friday morning. So be careful. There could be some more ice out there. And that's what happens sometimes in the spring. It's not cold enough for snow, but it is cold enough to create that freezing rain out there. The Charles River still frozen over. It won't be that way for very long, though. At 47 degrees, we hit 50 today, and I've got some 60s in the forecast. We do have one little bump, though, where it gets a little bit cooler on Friday. So that's what's happening right now as you look over the city. So what's going to happen over the next few days? Well, we have one little area kind of coming through here tomorrow. Maybe a few light showers with the whole thing kind of moves its way on through. Not overly concerned about that. But then once we get to tomorrow night, more rain comes in. Now, the temperatures have cooled off. So what would be rain typically during the day will now become a wintry mix at night. And it does include a little bit of snow, and it includes a little bit of rain as well. So this is going to be lifting its way through. And you'll notice on the northern fringes of it, it will actually turn to some snow. So that Friday morning commute, maybe a bit on the slow side. Now, as you look off to the west, we do have some milder air, which is going to come flowing in here. So let me break down what's going to happen as far as tonight and tomorrow are concerned. Tonight, a lot of clouds roll in here. There may be some patchy fog, cold surfaces. That's why I say there might be an icy spot here or there, not as extensive as it was this morning. And then as we head through the day, we get some rain coming in here, showers at that. There might be an icy patch here or there, but really it's not much going on. Now we get to tomorrow evening, and now we get more moisture coming in. The temperatures have cooled down. Here's where we start to see some wintry mix going on. This is warm enough down here, it's rain. And then watch this area of snow. The cold air works its way in. The snow works its way southward. So that's why it's going to be kind of a mess as we look at tomorrow night into early on Friday. This, by the way, will be moving out of here by the time we get to Friday afternoon. So this is the area that's most likely to see some icing going on. Be careful. Untreated surfaces, as we saw this morning, can get pretty icy pretty quick. As far as snow is concerned, not a big snow event. Most of that will be to the north where it stays colder a little bit longer. But don't be surprised. There'll be some wet snowflakes mixing in with that rain and with that sleet and with that freezing rain. We get everything thrown at us once again. All right, tonight, we have increasing clouds, some patchy fog. Watch out, an icy spot is certainly a possibility as lows drop off 22 to 30 degrees. And then tomorrow, well, tomorrow's got a lot of clouds with it. There may be some morning icy spots, but it's really during the afternoon we get some showers and some mix starting to develop. And that icy risk is really for the evening commute through tomorrow night into the Friday morning commute. I think the Friday morning commute is probably going to be the one I'm most concerned with. Temperatures will be a little bit cooler tomorrow. 50 degrees and sunshine was beautiful today. That's why I say Friday's a little dip into the temperatures, but then look at this heading to the weekend, first of next week, a lot of melting into the forecast. Speaking of the forecast, here's the way it looks then over the next 7 days. Some showers with that nice ice moving in here for tomorrow. We've made it an alert day, and Friday it's an alert morning more than anything else, where we could see some ice and snow in the morning hours. Look at the high temperature on Friday. Not very warm, only about 34 degrees, so not a lot of melting on that one. And then on Saturday, mostly cloudy skies. It's not going to be a terribly sunny weekend, but it will be warm. 50 on Saturday, 54 on Sunday. There could be a few early morning showers on Sunday as that warm air comes pushing in here. And then on Monday and Tuesday, look at that. 60s and sunshine, and that warming trend carries well into the middle of next week. That's my latest forecast for right now. I'm meteorologist Mike Juan.